Morning, I'm Alistair McCaig and welcome to IG's Morning Market Headlines on Tuesday the 30th of April. Well, yesterday had a bit of a lackadaisical feel to it at the start with both China and Japan on holiday. Not so the case this morning. A raft of economic data has come out already today, where we've seen softer German retail sales, a jump in the French consumer spending, and also Spanish quarterly GDP figures coming in line. At 9:30 we're expecting UK M4 money supply figures along with mortgage approvals. And then at 10 o'clock we have EU unemployment levels, all of which should add to a clearer indication of how the Eurozone and Europe are behaving. We look at the currency markets, a little bit of a calmer day as well, with the euro, the US dollar and the sterling all hovering around the same sort of levels that it had closed out the day yesterday. If we look over at the equities, we have a couple in particular I'd like to draw your attention to. Lloyds, of which IG clients are about 89% long, have come out with some pretty impressive first quarter figures. They've seen a profit of £1.48 billion. That of course is much better year on year than their £497 million profits last year. I guess the major reason for this is a reduction in legacy costs. No fresh funds have been had to be put aside for their PPI mis-selling, although there is still issues in the background with some of the other sections. Of course, when it comes to Lloyds, you've always got that sort of glass ceiling up above, with the government holding 39% of the company, and depending on whether you look at the government's cost of calling it 61 pence or what the market would perceive to be their entrance level around about 73p, there's a sizable chunk of overhang as far as the stock is concerned. Looking a little bit further afield, bit of a smaller company, but one well worth watching is ASOS. This is quite an accurate online barometer, really, to show how the migration of the retail market has moved from the high street to online. All of ASOS's business is, of course, online, and IG clients have been big fans of this. Currently 74% long of the stock. Their first half profits are up 11%. That takes it up to about 25.7 million. Momentum's been strong, and they see that continuing all the way through the year. UK sales up 26%, overseas sales up 39%. Overseas sales accounting for about 60% of their annual income. ASOS, always worth watching, gives a good feel for how some of the other online orientated companies might behave. For all of this and further analysis, please go to IG's website and specifically Insight Centre. Have a good day.